want to look beautiful and attractive, and the size of breast plays a vital role in that. We all want fully developed firm breast, and that makes us more beautiful. I have seen few ladies feeling inferior because of their smaller breast size, and even girls who are about to get married worries a lot if they have a smaller breast size. Now you no need to spend tons of money buying costly medicines, oils, chemical pills, because these chemical pills actually what happen, they have a long-term negative effect on your body. So to be on a safer side, it is always better to rely on natural things. Friends, I'm going to share some homemade natural remedies whose ingredients are widely available in your kitchen itself. So let's start. Here today I'm going to share with you all 3 homemade remedies for increasing breast size. There's one more home remedy which I will tell you at the end of this, whose ingredient actually I couldn't able to get it, but I'm going to definitely share with you all. Whoever can able to get it, at least they can try. So we'll start here. For this there's one remedy. For first remedy we require a medium size onion, turmeric and honey juice. For second remedy we require fenugreek seeds, which we in Hindi or in India we generally known as methi dana. Then for third remedy we require red lentils, lal masoor dal. So let's start with the first remedy. Here I want all these 3 ingredients. This medium size onion, I've already peeled one. We need to take out actually juice of it, and we require 2 tablespoons of onion juice, 1 tablespoon of honey juice and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. So let's do this. Now we'll squeeze this onion juice in a bowl. Whenever you cut onion has a great tendency that will make you cry, so same thing is happening with me. Now we'll take 2 tablespoons of this onion juice, 1 tablespoon of honey juice. Honey. I generally tell honey juice for my kid so that she can understand. So same I'm telling honey juice. It is actually honey. And half tablespoon of turmeric powder. So I think this much is enough here. Now mix them well. So this paste is ready. What you need to do is, when you're going for bed, just apply this paste on your both the breast and leave it overnight. When you wake up in the morning, just wash that with lukewarm water. That's it. Now we will go for our next remedy, which is with fenugreek seed, means methi dana. These methi danas, what you have to do, you have to take a few methi dana as per your requirement and soak it overnight. Now in the morning what we have to do, we have to just grind them well. So I'll grind. And just grind them well. So here my fenugreek paste is ready. This is how you should get a fenugreek seed paste. which we call methi dana paste. Now for making this paste, you have to even add a bit of water. When you're grinding it, just make sure the paste consistency should be like this. Now what you have to do, take this paste in your hand and massage your both the breast. How you have to do, take little bit, apply on both the breast, and then first massage clockwise direction, then massage anti-clockwise direction, both the breast like that, then towards each other, away from each other, and at the last from bottom to up, like this, like this, like this, like this, so that it not only makes your breast enlarge, but even it will make your breast firm, because from bottom, how much ever you do massage, it will be making your breast more firm. This remedy is amazing remedy. Just try these two remedies. I'll show you one more remedy. Within 2 weeks, you'll get significant effect, and this you have to apply every day. The best time for it is before shower. You can do it. Just massage for you can say 10 minutes each breast, and it's always better while massaging. Little bit of fenugreek seed, that's paste, it will be remaining on your breast. So just leave it for 10 minutes so that it will get dried completely, so that your mammary glands and that your skin, it will absorb that the essential components of this paste, and afterwards you can just wash with warm water and you can take bath. So this is as simple as that. You can just do it every day. Within 2 weeks you'll see significant difference. You can at least measure a size difference, and for better results you have to do at least for 3 to 4 months, and definitely you will see a tremendous result with this. Now we will go for our next remedy. Our next remedy is red lentils. Now this is we call masoor dal in Hindi. Now what we have to do, we have to soak this masoor dal or red lentils for 5 to 6 hours. Like this, I have already soaked, and then just grind it. So let's start. I'll grind this. I need to wash my grinder, so just give me some time. I'll pause this video and again. So now I washed my grinder well. Now, sorry, it's not grinder, it's grinder mixer jar. Now I put this masoor dal which was soaked. I've strained out water, little bit is there because I required for grinding, and I'll put in my mixer jar. Now we need to grind it. Please bear the sound, please, because my mixer makes a lot of sound. This paste, this is red lentils paste, only red lentils, that's it, red masoor dal, that's it. Now what you have to do with this paste, apply this paste on your both the breast and leave it until it get dried, and then wash with the lukewarm water. This masoor dal, it actually stimulates the breast tissues and blood, and that increases the blood circulations. So all these 3 remedies which I told you, all these remedies you have to do every day for better result, and within 2 weeks of time, that is 15 days, you can see a significant difference. While measuring your breast size, you can measure it and start first when you are applying, you just measure your breast size, and after 15 days you measure it again. You will see a difference. So friends, all these remedies are wonderful remedies to enhance your breast size. You can use any of these remedies, but please be regular with this. Whichever remedy you are using, be regular with it, and you will see a significant difference in your breast size. So all the best, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.